Hi, this is Dennis Gagnon Jr. from Affordable Home Insurance. Today we're going to talk to you about some things you may not be aware of in the insurance industry within the state of Florida.
Hi, this is Josh Sostheim, and if you're close to Panama City, Florida, or in the Bay County area, give me a call, 850-502-4352.
And if you're closer to Destin, call me, Jason Vaughn, 850-654-1567.
This is what you all should be doing that are watching this. Playing a little bit more golf, not worrying about your insurance, because if you just make one call to Affordable Home Insurance, we have it all covered. Since we represent 96 or 97% of all the carriers, within a few hours, you're going to have your answer as to what the best and least expensive angle is for the home that you're trying to insure. Here at Affordable Home Insurance, another great thing that's a little unique about us is we're everyday, normal, average people. You'll see us at the local grocery stores, at the beach, various places, and we enjoy talking about insurance. We're very transparent, and we fully believe that there shouldn't be any punches pulled when it comes to insurance. The misconceptions that a lot of you have shouldn't be out there, because when you ask an agent a question, you should get a direct answer. I can assure you that if you call me personally, I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have pertaining to insurance. But I can assure you they'll be the honest answers, and that's all we really ever need. We have decided, great news for Bay County, to expand into Bay County. Historically, we've operated out of Okaloosa County, Walton County, and Santa Rosa counties primarily. The really neat news for Bay County is that we're about a $35 million agency. It's kind of crazy how much we've grown in 10 or 11 years. To grow an agency that size and have 25 people working here is incredulous. We've been very, very blessed. And what it's allowed us to do now is spread our wings a little bit geographically to come try to help people in Bay County save more money than they knew they could save. The way we do that is simply being an independent agent who represents more carriers than almost all the rest of the independent agencies around. Captive agents are agents that represent large national insurance carriers, and unbeknownst to you, they're only allowed to represent or offer you quotes from carriers that home office has made arrangements with. You don't know this when your realtor or your mortgage lender goes and gets a quote from somebody. They just come back and wave a quote in front of your face and say, look, here's your quote. And casual glance, okay, if you think that's the best, away you go. Unbeknownst to you, they've only shopped with 40% of all the carriers or 60% of all the carriers. But the key in the state of Florida, year after year after year, is choice. And that's something that we here at Affordable Home Insurance, we can do that for you. Because year after year, if your rate goes up 3 years from now, 5 years from now, it goes up by more than you're willing to bear, all you gotta do is call us. We put you back in the system, treat you just like you're a brand new client, and instantaneously, voila. We can then tell you who your cheapest angle is at that particular point down the road. So with all that said, there's no reason to call anybody else, just to give us a call, and we should be able to tell you very quickly, within an hour or two, what your best angle is for your home insurance. Flood insurance is another hot topic that we get dragged into a lot in this area only because we live so close to the coast. Many people, it's been beat into your head that the NFIP, the National Flood Insurance Program, was the only game in town. Well, I got news for you. That's not the case anymore. There's many carriers now that offer what are called primary flood policies. They take the place of the NFIP. And so as a result, oftentimes people can save a lot of money and go in that direction. We get a lot of our insureds that move here from other states, and oftentimes there's not enough questions that are asked pertaining to how our home insurance differs than the rest of the states. So a lot of you know now that there's a hurricane deductible. Well, in other states they don't have such a thing. So down here it's a percentage, and it can be a lot of money coming out of a consumer's pocket. The really, really interesting thing is that the market for insurance in Florida has been soft for many years now, probably 3 or 4 years. And as a result, there's products out there that we sell every single day that now cover that percentage on your hurricane deductible. So if you have a $10,000 2% hurricane deductible, we have products that we sell that cover that gap. And strangely enough, those products end up running in the hundreds of dollars. They're not thousands of dollars or multi-thousands of dollars. So you can pick one of these policies up anywhere between, say, $100 and maybe $500 to cover your hurricane deductible. So all of a sudden, there are products out there now that didn't exist historically. But once again, back to the agency. If your agency stays on the cusp of what's occurring from a new perspective on a yearly basis, monthly basis, then if you're an aggressive agency as we are, then you become aware of these things. And once we become aware of these things, we can then sell those to, obviously, people that are watching this program. So just give us a call. My name's Dennis Gagnon, Jr. Our phone number is 850-654-1567. Give us a call.